Welcome back. NCP has hit out at BJP ministers. Party chief spokesperson says Tourism Minister Parulekar should be sacked for getting the dignity of the chair down to the streets. Trajano also alleged that drug lords are being covered by the cabinet ministers. He also strongly criticized Environment Minister Alina saldanha on raised FAR selectively for star hotels. Trajano said latest notification on FAR is the biggest environmental fraud in Goa.
Just see the pose of this minister talking to a history sheeter, and you say that I just do not know who came, who went, and who I meet. This is the way on the streets. This is his style. That a time-bound judicial inquiry is a must. If Goa has to be saved from the drug trade, drug lords are being covered by the cabinet ministers. A constable who is supposed to have been in link with the killers, you suspend him and keep him home. He should have been thoroughly interrogated. The Minister of Environment who talks so much about preserving Goa identity, keeping up to the promises that were made, is totally a disaster. And this is a way to destroy Goa and loot Goa. How the drug lords and the underworld and the Don are protected by cabinet ministers of this government. So for environmentalists, they were prop-ups of the BJP when they made such big noise of scrapping the regional plan, when here a daylight notification is being issued, where the eco-sensitive zone of the state is going to be crumbled. No minister talks to anybody this way. If anybody, see, the dignity of the chair has been brought to the streets of Goa. If the chief minister has any self-respect, at least for Goans, you should sack him immediately. This notification invites all existing hotels, hotels under construction, and new proposals to all 4-star and above categories. Now it is well known fact that most of the 4-star and 5-star hotels lie in the coastal area. Therefore I said it is the biggest environmental fraud, worse than the mining fraud.
Government is planning for 350 medical seats at GMC. The college has some big infrastructural plans for future. Foundation stone for 3 lecture halls with estimated expenditure of almost 17 crores was laid on Tuesday. Minister Parulekar said that auditorium cum lecture hall, extension of dental college and construction of super speciality block is coming up at the GMC complex. Extension is planned with a foresight of extending medical seats from 150 to 350 in the future.
As 3 lecture halls, 2 of which are of capacity 300 and 300, and tisro 350. So, अशे 3 lecture hallsच्या फाउंडेशन स्टोन लेइंग सेरेमनी जाला. साधारण 17 कोटींचेर खर्च जाता. हाच्या शिवाय आणि एक ऑडिटोरियम ऑफ अ कॅपॅसिटी, ऑडिटोरियम कम लेक्चर हॉल ऑफ कॅपॅसिटी 375 तोय सुरू जातलो. काही दिसा पयलीं आमी लेडीज हॉस्टेल सुरू केला, जेचेर आमी खर्च 11 कोट करतात. एक फॉरेन्सिक ब्लॉक आमचो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जाल्लो आसा, जाचेर खर्च 27 क्रोर्स. हे 2-3 आयटम जर धरले जाल्यार साधारण 54 कोटीचो खर्च गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज कॉम्प्लेक्सात चालू आसा. कुशीक डेंटल कॉलेज जे आसा ताचे आमी एक्सटेंशन घेतलेले आसा, जेचेर आमी 52 कोटी खर्च करतात. ऑल दीज वर्क्स आर इन प्रोग्रेस. एक गोष्ट वैशिष्ट्य सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार आमी 100 वयले 150 हे मेडिकल सीट व्हेल्ले, आणि 150चो खरो म्हणजे आमकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराची तयारी करूंक जाय आसली. पूण आमी तयारी करता आसतनाच तुमकां कॅपॅसिटी वयल्यान लक्षांत येतले आमी 300 स्टुडंटांची कॅपॅसिटी केल्या. येणाऱ्या काळांत आरएमओज हॉस्पिटलूय आमचे एक्सटेन्शन जातले. मागीर डेंटल कॉलेजचे चालू आसा 52 crores हांवें सांगलां. रेजिडेंट्स आनी पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट्स हांच्या खातीरूय आमी कॅपॅसिटी वाडयता.
Joshua Fernandez, a school student, drowned while on a school picnic at Dudhsagar. Joshua, aged 17 years, was studying in Don Bosco School in Kepe. He is a resident of Carmona. Joshua's dead body has been sent for post-mortem to Margao. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.